In this video, we'll look into how to install Home Assistant as a container on Raspberry Pi. Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. Let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, let's check the prerequisites and its versions. So here in the documentation, we can see it is going to say there are some prerequisites to do this installation. The first one is Docker, another is lib security component. So let's first check if our system has Docker and this component, which is 2.4.2 or newer. So let me open Raspberry Pi using PuTTY. Now let's check Docker version. So Docker space version should give us a Docker version that is 27.2.0 and the minimum is 19.0.39. So we have passed the first one. Now in your system, if you got some kind of error and if this command is unrecognizable, which means that Docker is not available. So you can watch my previous video on the top right corner to install Docker. And now let's check the version of security component library. So I have 2.5.4, so which is greater than 2.4.2. So these commands I'll be pasting in the description. And so as we have passed the prerequisites, we can go to the platform installation. So to do the platform installation, we have to first set up few things like these settings. So for this, what I have done is I have already created this kind of setting. So this is a GitHub gist file where you can directly download or copy this from here. Here what I have done is I have put the time zone as Asia and Calcutta for India. If you are using different country or time zone, you can use that here. And so one more thing I have done is I have created one folder called Home Assistant in my root folder, that is home/pi, to store the configuration. So now I need to create that. So I can use mkdir. So before that, I'll check what is the current directory. So home/pi. So I'll have to create Home Assistant directory. Now I can see Home Assistant directory is already there. So I'll provide this link in the description as well, and you can copy this and paste it here. So it is saying permission denied because we are running as Pi user. So what I can do is I can use sudo su and it will go to root, and now I'll paste this and run. So what it will try to do is first it will try to fetch. Now you can see it has downloaded properly the Home Assistant, and we can go to the next steps. In the documentation, you can see 8123 is the port. Once we have run this command, we should be able to access Home Assistant using this port. Let's see. So what I can do is I can use my ifconfig here and find out the WLAN IP address and paste it here, 8123, and we can see Home Assistant has loaded up. Create my home. So we need to allow to detect location, and we can click on next. I'll keep it default and click on finish. So this is how you load Home Assistant using Docker. That's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.